we're at the beginning of this multi-year relationship. You don't have to do anything, and we're going to be driving reviews for products that are listed within the AWS Marketplace. Now, there are thousands of products, so it we're not driving tens and hundreds of reviews daily, weekly, monthly for every thousands of products, but we are driving reviews for all the products in the marketplace. It's also really great. Let me go slideshow. I'm so sorry about that. It's also really great. The AWS Marketplace team, so they're also working with us. So we go to our database of buyers and ask them to write reviews. We then also work with the marketplace team. So when somebody makes a purchase through AWS, co-selling through the marketplace, etc., 30 to 45 days after that purchase, they're also asked to evaluate it with a review. And so that is just something that is automatically happening. So want everybody to know there is awesome ROI with just this relationship, and you can hang up and never talk to anyone again type thing. But obviously there is additional things why this matters. So with reviews in the marketplace, what does this do? It's going to give the buyer more content, help the buyer differentiate products, right? So that's a big thing there. If you have 2 or 3 reviews, maybe not as much, but if you have 10 reviews or you have 30 reviews or 20 reviews, probably more, right? Giving the buyer some more content. So boosted credibility is a big one. Improved discover and buyer confidence. So helping buyers really sift through and wade through and discover more. That's really what the AWS Marketplace is looking to do, become more of a discovery engine. I was at the AWS Marketplace Sellers Conference 3 weeks ago, and Matt was talking about that is really the futures, finding ways to help buyers discover products more. And that's probably not as it was a year ago or 2 years ago. So I think we'll start to see more content changes. Even what Gershon just showed you, we'll start to see more and more throughout the coming quarters there. And then marketing and resource benefits. So we also have worked with the team over at AWS to become MDF-approved. So we do have packages that are for generating additional reviews, specific to helping with getting more people talking about a specific industry, and or for instance, we also, the AWS first party reviews help cover competencies, which I'll show you and talk a little bit more in just a moment, using MDF to drive a little bit more to help get those customers on the record there. And then also lead generation, pipeline generation. So think about retargeting the audience that's looking in your categories on PeerSpot and driving them to AWS co-selling or AWS landing pages that you have. And think about also lead generation, purchasing leads from us. And that's all MDF approved. And we have folks that are working with us today and happy to have that conversation.